This is the redevelopment of Gunnersbury Park. Gunnersbury Park was handed to Ealing Council in 1926. It was all very dilapidated. The buildings had not been very well maintained over the years. So part of the project was to redevelop and restore the mansion house and open up floors that weren't accessible before and open up exhibition space. Apart from the structure works that we've done was restoring the Orangery. The roof, it was a modern timber construction that had gone in around the sort of 40s, 50s. It had started to decay, there was some poor detailing. It was felt that the best thing to do for it really was a modern replacement, which is what you can see behind you, is the Whitesales aluminium clerestory.
We were brought in to retain a lot of the heritage features, particularly the decorative ironwork, wrought ironwork you'll see inside. And so we had to come up with designs that not only kept the original layout of the glazing bar centres and made everything line through from the upper lantern light section to the lower monopitch section, but also incorporated the wrought ironwork and the decorative nice looking features. In addition to that, there was the design of a heritage glazing bar, because most of the existing bars on the market were too sort of bulky at the lower end and they wanted to have this softer effect. We commenced our installation on site last June. We did actually do a removal the previous December, so we stripped out the original glazing and wrought ironwork to take it off site for work.
The old beams had a high lead content based paint on them. We couldn't just sand them down and recoat them. They had to be dealt with in an environmentally correct and safe manner. So we actually removed them from site and they went back to our sandblasters, and they used a process where they sandblasted them and extracted the fumes and residues in a safe manner. The architect obviously had key features he wanted to keep. One of the key features was the wrought iron steel work.
This is a project where we can bring our expertise and experience to bear. A very classic project for us, where the contractor has come to us with a challenge. They've got to match as near as possible the existing design of the roof light on this lovely historic building, where we can bring design input and costings and solutions and suggestions of how to execute the project, so the client ends up with exactly what they need at the end of the day.
This is a very important project for Whitesales. It shows how we can be very flexible, how we're a solution-based company. We've got a very happy contractor, we've got a very happy architect. Any project where you get satisfied architect, customers and clients is one to be proud of, really.